What is the sustainable development pathway for a country that is low in emissions and climate resilient? Introducing Developing Country X. Country X plans to alleviate high poverty levels by growing its GDP by 5% per year. It wants to expand its core industries of mining and agriculture and needs to develop its energy sector in order to do this. It is eager to exploit gas funds off its coast and develop renewable energy in the form of hydroelectric reserves. Country X participates in the UN climate negotiations. It supports plans for emission cuts, but is unclear which actions will benefit or threaten its growth. It decides to take the MAPS approach in understanding the development options available to it. The process begins with a mandate. This mandate outlines the objectives of the process. It also ensures that the outcomes are owned by Country X's political leaders. The MAPS approach then draws together a team of leaders and experts from diverse interest groups, including government itself, business, the finance sector, and civil society. This team is known as the Scenario Building Team. The individuals on the team have unique expertise to build scenarios for realistic, short, medium, and long-term futures for Country X. At the same time, the MAPS approach gathers a first-rate research team. Its task is to generate new data and build and operate economic and sectoral models that are specific to Country X's context. These models link overall economic indicators such as GDP with sector-specific technologies and natural resources to project the impact of specific policy interventions, for example, investment in clean technologies. Consensus forming within the scenario building team can be a heated affair. The MAPS approach employs a professional, independent facilitator to steer the process towards success. At the end of the 2-year MAPS process, Country X has a set of development pathways. These show different policy options and their long-term implications for the economy, its citizens, and the environment. The government of Country X can now start taking informed action. It also has the ability to access green finance to kickstart its new growth approach. MAPS provides the collaboration and support needed to establish the evidence base to build a sustainable development pathway that is low in emissions and climate resilient.